10 shrubs that offer low maintenance. Candy O is a trademarked form of the Rosa Zlemartincipar hybrid cultivar developed by breeder David Charles Zilzak of St. Paul, Minnesota. It might be an unexpected choice for a list of low-maintenance shrubs, because most gardeners do not associate roses with easy care. But this is specifically a landscape shrub rose, a category you will want to know about if you love roses but hate spending a lot of time caring for plants. Most years, one shearing will be all the care that gold mound Spirea requires. What do you get in return for this minimal care? A bush that provides nice foliage, color in both spring and fall and, in summer, clusters of pink flowers. This dense, mounded shrub grows 4 to 6 feet tall with a slightly wider spread. Witch hazel is another low-maintenance shrub giving both spring and fall interest, although very little in summer. In spring, this flowering shrub is one of the first plants to bloom, a trait that is always highly valued in the north. The bush can be a standout for its fall foliage season if it is grown in full sun. Light pruning to shape the plant is all that is needed. The Summerific series of hardy hibiscus is prized for 2 reasons besides being low maintenance. First, these 4-foot-tall shrubs boast large, drop-dead gorgeous, pink, red, or bicolored flowers as well as pretty, dark leaves. Second, they are late summer flowering shrubs, taking the torch of color handed off by the earlier bloomers and running with it into autumn. Sugar Tip is a proprietary form of the America Irene Scott cultivar of Rose of Sharon. It is hardy enough to grow in regions with cold winters and has a good tolerance for drought and salty conditions. Like the Summerific hardy hibiscus, it flowers late in the summer, when the landscape is hungry for color. Growing to 5 or 6 feet, this variety is beloved for not only its pretty flowers but also for its variegated leaves. Unlike the traditional Rose of Sharon, this cultivar does not self-seed, thus sparing you the duty of plucking out volunteer seedlings. Oakleaf Hydrangea is a great year-rounder. In the summer it gives you flowers, in the autumn it displays great fall foliage, and during the other 2 seasons you can marvel at its peeling bark. This is a popular option for gardeners who want it all, except, of course, lots of maintenance. It grows to 4 to 6 feet, with a multi-stemmed, upright growth habit. Any number of needled evergreen bushes can be considered low maintenance, but Blue Star Juniper is a standout for its pretty blue needles and its easy-to-manage growth. It is a dwarf by nature, hugging low to the ground and requiring several years to spread significantly. When this small evergreen shrub finally does start to spread out, pruning is necessary only if you wish to keep it compact. Stewartstonian is an azalea cultivar with evergreen leaves and therefore is not entirely without winter interest, a claim that few azaleas can make. A good choice for shady locations, Stewartstonian puts on a floral display in spring and a fall foliage display in autumn. This 4 to 5 foot tall shrub requires little pruning, just enough to shape it. This low-maintenance shrub is grown neither for eye-popping flowers nor for brightly colored fall leaves. Rather, Harry Lauder's walking stick is all about the twists and turns that its branches take, a feature that makes for great visual interest in winter, when there are no leaves to get in the way of the view. To minimize maintenance, plant this shrub where it has plenty of room to spread out. Its mature width can be up to 15 feet. The only pruning needed is for removing dead branches. Many types of Euonymus sport variegated leaves, but Moonshadow's variegation is particularly appealing. A dark green appears at the margin of the leaf, surrounding a center of bright gold on young leaves or creamy white on older leaves. Offering lower maintenance needs than the other Euonymus cultivars, Moonshadow is a spreading plant that grows to only about 24 inches and requires little pruning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.